Hey, Simba. Hello, everyone. This is Shananah with Geaux. And Missy Grando, this is your day. Finally going to see what's going on with this bay laurel, that cutting that I think is rooted. All right, so can you see? There it is. All right, I should have got my hurry, but I don't know where it is. I need multiple stations in this garden where I could put tools. 'Cause I just look, little roots. I should have left it alone. But it's got roots. So I'm gonna put it in this. Let it get used to being in here. And then when it's used to being in here, I'm gonna ship it to Missy. So get with me, Miss. While we're here, I have several cuttings from my old rosemary plant. It bit the dust. So let me pull these weeds out for one, but I want to see what this one here is doing. So I'm gonna act like I'm a shovel. Pick it up. All right. Look, fresh. Oh, look! I pulled up the bay laurel. I'm going to check you out, but it's got roots. I'm about to put it in a bigger container as well and water them. I'm ready to use my pot. Okay, come on, baby. All right, Rosemary. Okay, let's look at this cutting. Looks like it's trying to get some roots up here, so I'm going to gently put it back. That's some soft mix. I'm going to put some more cuttings of, I guess, the bay laurel. So I really want some more, because I'm going to try to move the plant. So I want to make sure I get have a better chance of success. Oops, you. Alright then, I hope you enjoy watching this transplanting of this bay laurel. Man, it takes them a long time. Goodness. So, anyway. Remember to go grow something, and love you. Bye-bye.